who's struggling to understand how to make sense of lecture, I might actually compare lecture to going to a stand-up comedian show. But if you don't have the prerequisite knowledge of the let's say pop culture in what they're about to present and say, you're not going to get any of the jokes at all, and it's going to be absolutely miserable. Like literally, people are laughing in Zoom classes. People are usually two are participating in the Zoom chat box, and then 75 minutes is over and you're done. So to defend against that, revisit your lecture notes, try to capture as much as you can in lecture, whether it be questions or whether it be notes, and before the next class. That is your crash course education to be able to get the quote unquote metaphorical jokes that your professor is dropping on you in the actual lecture.
Such a big one. That's a great analogy, right?